Dear Dad, thank you for being the strong foundation of our family. Whenever I have a problem, I know that you're always going to be there to instill courage, offer guidance, and lend a helping hand. You built our home from scratch, sacrificing time and memories, but you did it for us, and now we can be even more grateful for every moment we spent together. You've always taken care of me and Mom with love and compassion, no matter what. You have always supported and embraced whatever new endeavor or adventure I embark on. You have raised me to see the world with an open mind, with good heart and a great sense of humor, just like you. You are a true role model for me and my future family. This adventure that we are having in Iceland is more than just a vacation. It's my opportunity to pay your respect and pay it all back. As I embark on this trip to Iceland, I am reminded of your adventurous spirit and your love for nature. I can't express how grateful I am for the memories, lessons and morals that you have shared with along the way. Thank you, Dad, for everything since day one, for everything you have done for me. I am blessed to have you in my life and honored to call you my father. Dear Dad, I hope that I can continue to absorb your wisdom and character, and above all, I hope I can make you proud.